And on behalf of NPST, I extend a very warm welcome to all of you. We are pleased to have you join us today to commemorate the listing of the equity shares of NPST on the BSE. Thank you all for being here with us today. And moving forward, may I request all of you to rise up for National Anthem, please.
जनगण मन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे.
Thank you, everyone. Please take your seats. So, well, how often do we come across India's story that has swept the global industry and giants with its innovation and disruptive growth journey? And how often do we come across an opportunity to be a part of such growth story? Well, today the opportunity is right. I'm thrilled to introduce NPST, a unique fintech company that listed on the SME exchange in 2023 and is now transitioning to the main board. Can we have a huge round of applause for the entire team? Founded in 2013 as a bootstrapped startup, NPST has grown into one of India's leading payments and banking technology solution providers. The company is building the digital railroad that connects banks, merchants, and consumers across the country. Behind the scenes, NPST technology powers everyday financial experiences, enabling seamless digital transactions, providing essential digital banking services, simplifying bill payments for millions, and providing decisioning intelligence on risk and frauds. Today, India drives 45% of the global digital payments, and NPST is proud to be a technology enabler in the ecosystem. NPST's payment stack now supports over 100 financial institutions, making a huge impact on millions of merchants and consumers. So what drives this extraordinary growth? Well, it's a clear mission, to use technology to create meaningful, scalable impact in the society. And this mission makes today's main board listing more than just a financial milestone. It marks the beginning of a bold new chapter for NPST. So once again, thank you all of you for being here with us today to witness this exciting journey. To begin with, we have here with us today the leadership team from NPST along with BSE official, and we would like to welcome them all with a bouquet. First, we would start with the NPST team. Please welcome Mr. Deepak Chand Thakur, co-founder and managing director, NPST. Can we also have Mr. Ashish Agrawal, co-founder and joint managing director, NPST. Can we also have Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head Listing and SME BSE? And now to begin the event on the auspicious note, we will have the lighting of the lamp. After receiving the bouquets, I would request all the dignitaries to join us downstairs for the lamp lighting. May I request all the dignitaries to kindly join us for the lamp lighting, Mr. Deepak Chand Thakur, Mr. Ashish Agarwal, and Ms. Radha Kirtivasan.
शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदः शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तु ते शुभं कुरु त्वं कल्याणम्
Can we give a huge round of applause as our dignitaries light the lamp with an auspicious beginning. So we are very close to the countdown. So now it's time for the bell ringing ceremony. I will request our dignitaries to kindly join us on the stage, along with Mr. Rajiv Berry, Chief Technical Officer, NPST, Mr. Pavan Kumar, Chief of Product and Delivery Officer, NPST, Mr. Prashant Rao, Chief of Business Operations Office, NPST, Mr. Kamal Agarwal, Strategic Advisor, NPST, and all NPST employees present at the venue. Please join us on the stage. Okay. So guys, the timer is not working right now. So let's start with the countdown. I would request all of you to join me in the countdown with as much enthusiasm as you can. Are you all ready? Are we all excited this morning? Can we have a huge round of applause and begin the countdown? So everyone count with me. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Congratulations, NPST is now officially listed on the BSE and it's been a milestone for the company. Many, many congratulations to the entire team of NPST. Come on, let the claps be louder and go on for a few more seconds. What a proud moment for the entire team. Many, many congratulations to all of you.
Just a minute. Look at the camera. Yes, sir. Good camera. Thank you.
Thank you everyone for joining us on stage, and once again a huge round of applause. Once again, many, many congratulations to all of you. And moving forward, it is now my honor and privilege to invite Mr. Deepak Chand Thakur, co-founder and chairman, CEO, NPST, and request him to share a few words on this joyous occasion. Can we welcome him on stage with a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Mr. Deepak.
Morning. All awake? Yes. Super. Before ringing this bell, my belly has been ringing since yesterday night. So just bear with me. I just have this very interesting story about India. How I have lived and how we have lived our journey from different era, from 80s to 90s, and then 2000, 2010, and the decade onwards. I remember being a kid, there was time when we used to all talk about, made in Switzerland watches, made in Japan fountain pen, or made in England shirts. I hope you guys remember that. And we were very, we never knew what exactly we will be building. What is our story and what will be made in India. We always dreamt about having something about this country. And unfortunately, we had no idea what and where we will build this. But we didn't know that we were actually laying the foundation of a made in India story. There were guys who were going to schools. There were guys who were working on policies. There was a regulator who was so aspirational back then. In 90s itself, we adopted certain tech-driven approaches. And then there was software. There was software which was built in this country. There was just one-room apartment in Matunga which formed an Infosys. And today, this country is one of the powerhouse in IT services. And such kind of stories have inspired so many new sectors and generations that we have been thinking strongly about some made in India story. And one of the strongest made in India story is digital payments. We remember from paper currencies to plastic currencies. Plastic currencies going across globe. It may be Europe, US, it may be your Asian continent, it may be Africa. It's all about plastics, right? Maybe 20 years back or 10 years back. And today they dominate yet. However, it is India's next leap into digital, which has outdated the paper and plastic. And we are the creators of that. I'm happy to say that, at right time, we picked up the aspiration to be part of the digital growth of this country. I'm happy to say that we are somewhere a nano contributor to that ecosystem, a very small one, not a big one. But the aspiration is high. 1 year back, I told all the NPSTians that a decade past is a decade past. Last 10 years is gone. We should not be looking back and celebrating our success based on the growth story that we had in last 10 years. We should consider ourselves as a next leap, a small one coming in this next era of and dreaming big about this next decade. Let us benchmark with the best in the industry and then see where exactly we reach. It's okay, we may be in decimals, we may be in 0.1, 0.2% as we compare, but our aspiration to be there will be higher and will not compare ourselves with where we were. So I believe that NPST's journey is a small, is a small picture, or I would say a very small advertisement towards the big India growth story in digital payments. And all because we have been able to enable few banks, we have been able to enable few fintech, we have been able to create solutions which never existed, and we have been able to go more deeper into building the next generation solutions. That's the reason why we have built this company with a lot of efforts to ensure where we want to go and how we want to achieve that goal. Over this past few years, there were about 500 plus employees who worked with us. It is all their efforts. There are machineries in the organization which really make the best, okay? And then you procure the best machinery, and then you get better output. And then you want better machinery, which can give better output. And then it keeps on going. This organization needs those great minds, those guys who are aspirational, those who dream big, those who are ambitious, and those who can really go through the best possible scenario this innovation can bring for you. Thanks to all those guys who have been with us. I only speak on their behalf, and I am just their part. Secondly, August 10, 2021, when I was on the dais at NSE SME board, I remember wearing same shirt and same blazer, and that's why it was important for me to carry this today. And then I said that the pillars for my organization were my employees, my customers. I said the product, the innovation ideas, those are my pillars. And there's a new pillar which got added today, and those were my shareholders. That was the day which I said. Today, when we leap forward in main board, we look forward to those guys who really wanted to be part of this opportunity, who really wanted to be part of this organization. Those who didn't work with me, come on, let's do that together. Be a part of NPST, be our shareholders, be those guys who dream big about this country. We have a lot of ideas, a lot of aspirations. We are working really hard to build the fundamentals. We are really working hard towards diversification into certain areas which has never been touched and which are offshoot of digital payments. I'm talking about RegTech, I'm talking about AI/ML technologies, I'm talking about the innovation around NFC-based payments, I'm talking about innovations around the offline reach this country needs. I'm talking about the corporate payments, I'm talking about the global outlay about digital payments. I'm talking about those countries who look up to India for their digital aspirations. So that's about NPST, guys. Not taking more time from you guys. Thank you so much. And with this new leap, we look forward to those we might have missed in past couple of years, but yes, we are there with all of you guys, and really look forward to work together with you all. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Deepak sir, for addressing the gathering. And moving forward, may I now have the honor of inviting Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head of Listing and SME, BSE, and request her to share a few words on this momentous occasion. Welcome, ma'am.
Good morning, everyone. As we gather here to celebrate the migration of NPST to the main board, Network People is a shining example to all these SME companies which are very good performing, but still they dread the path to grow their companies and raise equity capital from the capital markets. We are proud to have NPST listed on our main board platform. Starting as an SME, NPST got listed on the SME platform in August 2021 with an issue price of 80 rupees and an issue size of 13 crores. And the revenue levels that time were 15 crores with a PAT of 1 crore. It has clocked a revenue of over 130 crores in 24 and a PAT of over 26 crores, which is almost double the amount of capital that was raised through the IPO. And I think today's market price is over 2,000 rupees. So that's the story of NPST, and it needs a big, huge applaud. The team at Network People have demonstrated the entrepreneurial spirit that drives growth and innovation. Your transition to the main board is a significant milestone reflecting your company's growth, stability, commitment to excellence. This achievement, as the founder said, is your team's dedication and the trust that you have earned from your investors. Actually, I was reading an article yesterday on the Economic Times wherein the finance minister had underlined a target of 1 billion UPI transactions per day within a period of 3 years. And she has emphasized on accelerating UPI internationalization through interoperable framework, and wider global acceptance. I'm sure as a company is specializing in UPI payment and digital banking and operates both as a technology service provider and a payment platform as a service provider, the increase in UPI transactions will definitely boost the company's growth as well. Would like to mention a few words about BSE. BSE is the world's largest exchange in terms of the number of listed entities. We have over 5,000 listed entities on this exchange, and this is one of the oldest working public institutions. Happy to share that we have entered, this is our 150th year of existence. The benchmark index of BSE Sensex is tracked by investors across the globe and has grown since India opened its economy in 1991. It is considered as a barometer for the growth of Indian economy. BSE provides an efficient and transparent market for trading in equity, debt, derivatives, and currency and commodity derivatives, interest rate derivatives, and mutual fund and stock lending and borrowing. We wish the company a continued success and growth in the years to come, and would be happy to partner with the company in all their future capital market endeavors. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, for joining us on stage and for addressing the gathering. Moving forward, may I now have the privilege of inviting Mr. Ashish Agrawal, co-founder and joint managing director, and request him to share a few words on this joyous occasion. Let's welcome him on stage with a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. A very warm welcome to you, sir.
Thank you. Hey, hi, good morning everyone. I hope everybody is awake. What's a powerful speech by Radha Ma'am and Deepak. I'm proud to share this momentous occasion to all of you. Today marks a significant milestone in NPST's journey. This main board listing reflects our hard work, dedication, and collective belief in our vision. The BST listing will open broader horizon for our company, providing greater access to capital, enhancing our visibility and credibility, and increasing liquidity for our shareholders. With our vision to provide payment solution across the financial value chain, we remain committed to creating long-term value for our shareholders, customers, and employees. At NPST, we made deliberate choice early on by developing innovative products and services, building a talented workforce, and following a clear growth strategy focused on market needs. As we look to the future, we plan to expand our footprints across the globe, strengthen our product portfolio, and deepen our partnership with financial institutions and ecosystem players. We will continue investing in cutting-edge technology and R&D while remaining rooted in our core value of trust, innovation, and customer centricity. We consider this a new beginning with an intent to drive continuous impact and shape the future of digital payments. I would like to thank you all, my co-founders, board of directors, exchanges, and all our partners who have worked tirelessly to help make this milestone a reality. I also want to express my heartfelt gratitude to my family, and especially to my wife Renu, who has been a strong pillar throughout my journey. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Ashish sir, for joining us on stage and for addressing the gathering. And now to commemorate the significance of this event, we will have exchange of mementos. First, BSE will give away mementos to special dignitaries of NPST. So may I request Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, Head of Listing and SME BSE, to present a special memento and replica of the bell. Please welcome Mr. Deepak Chand Thakur, co-founder and chairman, CEO, NPST, along with Mr. Ashish Agrawal, co-founder and joint managing director, Ms. Chetna Chawla on behalf of Savita Vashisht, co-founder and executive director. Can we have a huge round of applause as Radha ma'am presents the memento to all of them? Request you to stay back. May I also request Radha ma'am to present individual mementos to all the dignitaries. Request all the dignitaries to stay on stage with us. May I now request Mr. Deepak Chand Thakur, co-founder and chairman. May I now request Mr. Deepak Chand Thakur, co-founder and chairman, CEO, NPST, and Mr. Ashish Agrawal, co-founder and joint managing director, to present a special memento to Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, head listing and SME BSE. Thank you, Radha ma'am, and thank you, Chetna ma'am, for joining us on stage. I request both of you to stay back, please. So we will request you to give away a few more mementos. May I invite on stage Mr. Kamal Agrawal, Strategic Advisor, NPST, ICICI Bank.
That's not ICICI, that's strategic.
Okay. Mr. Kamal Agrawal, Strategic Advisor, NPST. Next, can we have Mr. Manish Chaudhary from ICICI Bank? Next, can we have Mr. Sunil Mudgir and Mr. Nilesh Karani, Kiran Advisors Private Limited. Can we welcome them on stage with a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen? Next, can we have Mr. Rishi Agrawal, RVA and Associates LLP. Next, can we have Mr. Rahul Jain and Mr. Anil Kumar Yadav, Strategic Growth Advisors Private Limited. Next, can we have Mr. Kala Agarwal? Thank you both of you for joining us on stage and for doing the honors. Can we give them a big hand, ladies and gentlemen? And may I now have the honor of inviting Ms. Chetna Chawla, Company Secretary, NPST, for the closing speech. Can we have her on stage? Let's welcome her with a round of applause. Welcome, Chetna ma'am.
A very good morning, everyone. It is with immense pride and gratitude that I stand before you today on this special occasion, the migration of our company from the SME platform to the main board of both the stock exchanges. This transition is not merely a regulatory milestone for us. It is a powerful reflection of how far we have come. It stands a testament of our collective determination, the strength of our vision, and our unwavering commitment to strive for more. Throughout this journey, we have been anchored by the values that define us: integrity, collaboration, accountability, respect, care, and at the heart of it, innovation. These are not just ideals we uphold. They guide how we work, how we lead, and how we grow, both as a company and as an individual. At the outset, I extend my sincere gratitude to our board of directors for their clear vision and consistent support, and to our leadership team for their unwavering dedication in steering NPST through this journey. We are also deeply grateful for the continued guidance and support received from the stock exchanges and SEBI, whose robust regulatory frameworks made this transition possible. A heartfelt thank you to our merchant bankers, legal advisors, auditors, registrars, and every professional involved. Your expertise and commitment have been instrumental in ensuring a smooth and successful migration. To our employees, this achievement belongs to all of us as a clan. Behind every milestone we have reached is your hard work, resilience, and quiet determination. Thank you for your dedication and for standing by the company with belief and purpose. To our investors, your trust is the foundation of our ambition. Whether you have been with us from the beginning or joined us along the way, your belief in our vision has empowered us to evolve and give us the courage to grow. We assure you, this is only the beginning. We remain committed to delivering stronger performance, creating deeper value, and upholding the standards you expect and deserve. As the company secretary and compliance officer, I also take this moment to reaffirm NPST's continued commitment to the highest standards of governance, compliance, and ethical responsibility. These principles are not just our practice, they are the central to our identity. Today marks not the end of a chapter, but the beginning of a new one, bigger, bolder, and filled with promise. We step into this new phase with humility, responsibility, and confidence, and we look forward to building the future together. Thank you very much. Have a good day.
Thank you, Ms. Chetna Chawla, for addressing the gathering. And with this, we come to the end of the listing ceremony. We are so grateful to our host, BSE, members of the board, our well-wishers, our shareholders, and all the others who took the time to celebrate this momentous occasion with us. Thank you all once again for gracing this event with your presence. So once again, a huge round of applause for the entire team of NPST and all of you. So with this, we come to the end of the ceremony. The breakfast would be served at the left-hand side. Please do join us. And we will have a quick photo session now. I'm just going to call out the names, and you can come quickly and join us for a photo. Let us start with Mr. Deepak Chand Thakur, co-founder and managing director, NPST, along with Mr. Ashish Agarwal, co-founder and joint managing director, NPST, and Ms. Radha Kirtivasan, head listing and SME BSE, to kindly join us on stage for a quick group picture. And along with this, I would also like to invite Mr. Rajiv Berry, Chief Technical Officer, NPST, Mr. Pawan Kumar, Chief of Product and Delivery Officer, NPST, Mr. Prashant Rao, Chief of Business Operations Office, NPST, and Mr. Kamal Agarwal, Strategic Advisor, NPST. Can we have all of you on the stage? Please join in. So ladies and gentlemen, can we give them a huge round of applause? And last but not least, can we have all the NPST employees present at the venue to kindly join us on the stage for a group picture? So with this, we officially end the ceremony. Once again, thank you everyone, and congratulations to the entire team, and please do join us for the breakfast. Thank you.